MustangMedic.com. MustangMedic, Ford Mustang Search and Rescue. Ford Mustang Search and Rescue. Day 61 of the 1971 Mustang Fastback Restoration Project. Part 5 of a 6-part series. We went to the circle track in Willow Springs Raceway in California. And that is Bobby's Wicked Camaro. So it's a 6-part series. We had enough video and we thought that you guys would find it interesting enough to order for a 6-parter for you. Hope you enjoy it.
Bobby's riding his tail. This is fan appreciation night.
So you bring all the cars out in the street. People can come from the stands and meet the drivers. Setting up for fan appreciation. All the fans get to come out and meet the drivers and walk around the cars. It's pretty neat. Bobby!
I know them kids.
There's Bobby fans.
Nuts, man. Uh-oh. Who do they like more? They better like you more. If they like me more, there's a problem.
I miss you.
All right, we gotta get. Willie, you got it?
This is Drew, and he sells AMSOIL, and it's the first synthetic oil.
It's the first mass-produced synthetic oil for cars and trucks, gasoline vehicles, propane vehicles, diesels.
And what differentiates it from other oils?
Usually it's lifespan.
Lasts longer?
Is 2 and 3 times longer than most other synthetic oils.
Okay, guys, so here it is, AMSOIL, Drew Alexander. Sorry for the lighting, but there it is. And if you text AVAMSOIL, you'll get all his contact information. Try this product out. This is his pace car, and he's taking us for a ride on the track today. So we're going to get a very interesting view from the back window. We'll see how the iPhone does. Thank you, Drew.
You bet, thanks. One of the big benefits of AMSOIL is there's 3 different lifespans of oil. There's the OE, which is good for 5,000 miles, direct competitor with the other major name brand synthetic oils. We've also got a series that's good for 10,000 miles and another one that's good for 15,000 miles under severe wear. So the nasty deserts, the superheat, the stop and go traffic,
right.
It'll give you 15,000 miles between oil changes.
All right, so talk to Drew and check him out. Again, here is his, text this and he'll give you his contact information. Try this product out.
If you appreciate our efforts and caught the vision of Mustang Medic, please make a donation for the cause via PayPal. Our PayPal email address is paypal@mustangmedic.com. Thank you.
Good job.
Hi.
Howdy, man.
Okay. Try to stop being in trouble now.
Okay, the back lights are on now, Debbie. There's a little bit of gas left in that can with that little scooter.
Bobby's number 31. And he's adjusting to that car. We got a crash. Bobby crashed. It looks like the tie rod gave out and his driver's side tire curled in. It looks like he's okay. He's trying to get the car off the track. He's getting the car off the track right now. Can I go out there? Looks like the tie rod gave out on the right front. Bobby, yeah, it looks like the tie rod gave out and the driver's side tire curled in on him. He hit the wall. It looks like he's okay. He's driving the car with the tie rod bent and just getting it off the track. So Bobby's okay, and we're gonna we'll look into that later. He's okay. Bobby's the second car on this one. There goes Bobby, he's holding his lead. 17. Climbing the fence. He is climbing the fence in his uniform. Do you see this? Look at Bobby. Look at Bobby. Look at Bobby. That is Bobby. Bobby does her off.
Go get a picture taken with Bobby Bobby, do you want to stay out here? Do you want to stay out for the late model race? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get it ready to go.
And then the picture. That's Spider. He's been doing this for 40 years, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I heard. Is it not true, Spider?
No.
25 years?
29 years.
29 years, sorry. I didn't mean to add any time on you. All right, next race, get ready. Figure 8 race. It's gonna be crazy.
Crazy! So crazy! I'm just crazy. Oh, hey, Bobby. Yes, man! Bobby. Yeah.
Yeah, get all that. We got a good view. There he is, suiting up for figure 8. Bobby! Hey, that helmet makes you look better, you know?
I know, that ain't hard.
Hey, you want to give me a radio?
I need the radio.
Last minute adjustments, they're going without a hood on this one. So the hood's staying off. Alright, this is figure 8 racing. And Bobby was one of the first volunteers for this race. And it's basically they're doing a figure 8 and crossing each other's paths as they do the figure 8. And I think there's going to be 3 cars in it.
Look for a link in the description for the next in our series. If it's not there, come back soon. MustangMedic.com.
All right, team, let's go. We're going to find the next Mustang. Yeah.